How to prepare a guest room for guests who have allergies. So auntie or a cousin is coming for a visit. You love them and they're a blast to spend time with, but they are allergic to your pets or have other allergies or environmental illnesses. What can you do to make the visit pleasant for everyone? Here are a few things you can do to decontaminate your guest room for your allergy-prone guests. Steps. 1. Start by not allowing the animals in the guest room at least a week in advance of the visit. 2. Avoid using air fresheners or perfumes in the room. Air out the room instead, open the windows and turn on the fan while you're stripping the bed and washing the bedding. 3. Vacuum and dust inside the closet. Place any linens or clothing stored in that closet into large plastic bags. 4. Remove any stuffed animals, throw pillows or similar objects that serve as dust receptacles from the room. 5. Thoroughly dust the room furniture and windowsills. A vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment can be an excellent tool for this job. 6. Vacuum any carpet or throw rugs thoroughly. Spray the carpet with an odor-eliminating spray. Any brand of spray intended to remove odors and most carpet deodorizing powders would work fine. Note, skip this step if your guest is allergic to perfumes of any sort. Febreze also makes an allergen-reducing spray. 7. Vacuum and launder any smaller throw rugs. Larger throw rugs will have to suffice with vacuuming, flipping them upside down, and vacuuming again. 8. Sweep and mop hard floors carefully. 9. Vacuum any dust from any drapery. Launder the drapery if necessary. 10. Carefully vacuum and dust throughout the house. 11. Strip and launder the bedding. Everything besides the mattress itself should be laundered. Sheets, pillowcases, duvet covers, bedspread, blankets, bed skirt, mattress covers, etc. Use a laundromat if you've got an extra large blanket that needs washing, as laundromats generally have large machines that can handle blankets. 12. Launder any polyfill pillows and replace any feather pillows with laundered pillows that do not utilize organic stuffing materials. 13. Replace the, now clean, bedding on the bed and turn down the covers. 14. Restrict the pet's movement around the home. Arrange for a room or two to remain as a pet zone. This gives family members interaction points with pets and yet leaves the main living spaces reasonably allergen-free. 15. Relax, knowing you've done your best to make your guests stay as comfortable as possible. Tips. In severe instances, you may need to meet your allergic relative elsewhere. A motel or restaurant or a non-pet owning relative's home, for example. Kennels are also an option, even for animals such as cats, birds, hamsters and ferrets. If you have a choice of rooms to put a guest with allergies into, choose the one with hardwood flooring and the fewest pieces of upholstered furniture. Refrain from using perfume on yourself during your guest's visit. People with allergies or environmental sensitivities can also have reactions from clothes washed in heavily scented laundry products such as Tide and Bounce, as well as scented personal products such as shampoo and shower gel. Start using fragrance-free laundry products on your own clothing a few weeks before the visit, and don't plan to wear clothing that has just come back from the dry cleaners, either. Keep some fragrance-free bath products on hand, both for yourself during the visit and as a convenience to your guests. Warnings. Many people with severe allergies will carry an inhaler or similar device. Ask them to show you how to administer a dose if they should lose consciousness or become incapacitated. For severely allergic relatives, you may want to visit their home wearing clothing washed in fragrance-free detergent. If the allergy is to scented products and you use scented laundry products, wear clothing that was last washed several days previously to give it time to air out before the visit. Things. Laundry facilities. Vacuum cleaner with HEPA filtering. Cleaning rags.